Okay, it's Tuesday, May 31st. I'm buying some Tesla 750 puts at 25.89. You can see here they're already up to 27.62, so already a nice gain. Actually 28 as Tesla heads lower. I bought the puts here at the blue line. So this is the first 15-minute bar went down, then we paused, and then I kind of bought it as we were heading into new lows. So this is kind of a start of the day type of buy, where the first bar, should be the high of the day given the opening price action. We're below the overnight action, below yesterday's close, heading lower. In terms of the context, this is a reversal kind of a play. This is the last day of the month, so it looks like we're going to end the month red here, and then it's a question of, if we end down here, do we, for starting in June, head to new lows, or do we kind of pause and have an inside month, or maybe even reverse and start having a 2 down, 2 up month? But for now, the month looks like it's going to end red. In terms of the weekly chart, we brought into the upside last week within this red month. So this is the reversal play to kind of start the week above a new high and then head lower. We'll see if we can go below the midpoint of that prior week to really confirm that. And then the key today on this trade, this is the daily chart, is to get in on the week opening on the 15-minute chart, see if we take out the halfway point of this bar, which it looks like we're doing now. If I look at the 15-minute chart, it's sort of an estimate of where we go, but now that we're heading lower, it looks like that's what's happening. And this was the intention given buying here on this first pause and then starting lower. And if we could do that, then I'm looking for the failed 2-up day, the type of day where when the overall context is down and you start above the high of the previous day and then go 50% retracement of that day, we could be taking out the lows of Friday, which is, that'd be the first target, 720. And then from there, you just see how the rest of the week goes. But this is kind of the broadening action to the upside and an overall, down month. Now we're looking, since you have a 2-up week, we're looking for the failed week to get lower. So that's going to take a little time to take out the midpoint of that week. But for now, I just wanted to give it a shot, given the opening price action, to see if we can take out the midpoint of yesterday's daily chart and see if we can get a 3-day, or in other words, taking out the lows of that day. That will kind of confirm to me that the trade works. Either way, the trade looks like it's going to work here. We're continuing lower on the 15-minute chart, and the options here, if I check them out, they're up over 30. So I bought those at 25.89. They're up to 30 now, 30, 50. So you could even, if it's a scalp trade, you can even take profits right here. You can set up a no-risk trade. You can do whatever you want, or sell partial position and set up a no risk trade. So I like the price action. The key here is, as long as we kind of stay down, take out the midpoint of yesterday's bar, as long as we don't kind of rally up above the midpoint of the first bar, then in terms of structure, we should be heading lower on the day. And we'll just have to watch price action now with kind of no risk to see how much lower Tesla wants to go, and to see if we could take out the lows of yesterday, which is in the 730 area, which you can see we're heading down there now. So good trade in Tesla. And again, it was all based on the opening price action. And given the, the fact that seemed to be showing the broadening action to the upside was now going to reverse back down given the way price opened. So we'll see how much lower Tesla wants to go today, but, looks like a good trade overall, and hopefully it'll end up even better.